Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start the tea now. Place 1 part worm castings into a mesh bag and submerge in 5 parts non-chlorinated water inside a 310-gallon plastic container. Once submerged, add an air stone or bubbler to keep oxygen high. This prevents anaerobic rot. Make sure water temperature stays between 15 degrees 25 degrees C for optimal microbial activity. You can stir gently and add 1 teaspoon unsulfured molasses per gallon to boost microbes. This isn't required, but it speeds up biological colonization. You must manage oxygen and time carefully during the core stage. Once aeration runs, monitor the smell and clarity every 6-12 hours. A fresh, earthy scent means beneficial microbes are proliferating. Make sure aeration continues for 24 to 48 hours. This builds a strong microbial tea, then stop by 72 hours at the latest because anaerobic organisms can take over. If the water level drops by more than 10%, top up with non-chlorinated water, and always keep You finish by removing the mesh bag and straining the tea through a fine sieve. Then dilute it 1:5 for stronger root drenches or 1:20 for foliar feeds. Apply in the cool morning or late evening to reduce leaf burn. Use within 24 hours or refrigerate briefly. If you detect a strong rotten or ammonia smell, act fast. Stop application, aerate the batch, then discard it if odor persists, and sterilize containers. This prevents pathogens from reaching your plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.